Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to further study the calculations of strain energy. You can find the strain energy for any specimen provided, but must not exceed the elastic limit. Which part of the graph you must see? Yes, you should see the initial straight line part of the graph. The part where the material obeys Hooke's law and where there's a proportionality between the load and the extension. Now we're going to use the screen to go over the following scenarios to answer the questions. The first question is, if the long steel specimen is stretched by a load of 15 newtons, how much strain energy does it store? So first, we're going to select the long steel specimen and we're going to stretch it by a load of 15 newtons. And we're going to plot the graph in order to find the strain. Now, how much strain energy does it store? What's your answer? Well, let's check if your answer is correct. We're going to press Calculations, so the extension is 26 millimeters and the strain energy is 650 millijoules. Let's proceed. The second question is, if the short thin steel specimen is stretched until it breaks, how much strain energy is released when it breaks? Well, let's select the short thin steel specimen and we're going to stretch it until it breaks. So how much strain energy is released when it breaks? Well, let's see the calculations. So the load is 70 newtons and the extension is 18 millimeters. So the strain energy is 630 millijoules.